Okay, let's try this again. Welcome. Sorry, guys, I totally forgot the mic. Happy Wednesday. How is everyone doing? Hi, Cheryl. If you guys catch this on replay, if you would hashtag replay in the comments for me, I would appreciate it. And go ahead and comment as if you were live. That's always great too. Sorry guys, I decided I needed to wipe this off. How are you guys today? Thank you so much for sprinkling, Cheryl. Thank you, Devana. Thank you for sprinkling too. I don't know what I have on here, but oh, I bet I know what it is. We did that bunny yesterday and it had that flocking on it. And I think because I was messing around with it, I probably knocked some of it off. Oh no, you had a dentist appointment. Yeah, I do not like dentist appointments either. They make me nervous. I hardly had any cavities or anything until I was pregnant with my daughter, who's the oldest. And after I had her, I had 14 cavities. It was crazy. I don't know if that's happened to any of you guys, but I guess she depleted all the calcium from my body or something. I don't know. I went into the dentist. I was like, oh, you've got to be kidding. Hi, Teresa. Oh, yeah, your blood pressure is up. When I go to the doctor, yeah, I kind of automatically do that. It just makes me nervous. When I had that accident last year when the truck rear-ended our truck with me and my granddaughter in it, when they took my blood pressure at the scene of the accident, it was like 200 and some. They were a bit worried. It was like, well, you know, when you get rear-ended out of the blue and you're not expecting anything, not the accidents you're ever expecting, but yeah. Sorry guys, taking a drink, so hopefully my throat won't get so dry. I hope you're feeling better now, Devon. I've got it past you. Sometimes that usually helps. So we're going to use this really cute napkin that was in my spring napkin set. I don't know what's going on with my throat, you guys. Sorry. But the members in the napkin club didn't have any of my little throat things either. Alright, we'll just get through it. This was one of the napkins that they got in their set, so we're going to use that today. If you guys wouldn't mind smashing some hearts or thumbs up or what, you know, just to let Facebook know we're here. And hopefully they'll start sprinkling it out. I would appreciate it. Hi, Linda. How are you? Thank you guys for joining. So we're going to get started with this first. We have this cute little, looks like a cutting board from Hobby Lobby. It was in the Valentine's as a little heart up here. So we're going to do something with that first. And I've been debating between crackling this and I don't know. I don't necessarily want this to look vintage. I don't think. Maybe we'll just do a little bit of distressing or something to it. Our napkin's pretty white, so I think I'm going to go ahead and use white chalk paint. Hi Elaine, how are you today? Welcome, welcome. And if you guys are new to me, my name is Darlia, and I am owner of Darche Designs. I live in Colorado, and I just want to say welcome. And let us know if you're new so we can all welcome you for sure. I appreciate you all being here. So we're just going to get a coat of the chalk paint on here first. Sorry, you guys. It never happens until, well, I guess it's probably because I'm not doing a lot of talking until I come on here. The granddaughter's down for her nap, and husband is working, so yeah, not doing much talking, I guess, till I get on here. And it's really dry because we live in a dry climate here. And in winter, it gets really dry. Well, winter, summer, it doesn't matter. So what are you guys all doing today other than Devana going to the dentist? Hopefully the rest of you did not have to go to the dentist. I did have to make a dentist appointment though today, Devana, for her cleaning. So that's coming up. All right, we've got it on the front here, and I will probably add it around the sides and everything. I mean, these little cutting boards, you can definitely do something on both sides. So that would be really cute. Hi, Veronica. Thank you so much for sprinkling. How are you today? I thought we'd just kind of have a little kind of laid back craft time, for a little bit here before I have to go get the granddaughters. Nothing hurried. I thought about coming on with you guys and just, showing how to prep for some things, especially like with sewing or stuff like that. I think this is going to be really cute as I drop it. Yes, I actually remember Telegram today. I was like, don't forget. That is my goal, you guys, to send it out every time before I go live. And then if I have something special going on, I will try to send out a text for that too. Other than that, I don't want to hit you guys with a lot of stuff, but I do want to keep you informed. And as I continue to try to get things going, I'm going to try to work on getting an email going and, different things in the future. It's just one step at a time, trying to focus on one thing and then, go on to another. You like hedgehogs, Lisa? My daughter-in-law loves them, so she may end up getting this. I mean, I think they're super cute too, but thanks for hopping on, Lisa. So we are very cloudy today here in Colorado, and cold. It's like, hi Marianne, how are you? The sun is definitely not out, and it says it is 46 out there, but I went out and it's hard to believe that because it just like bites into your body. I don't know. I'm like, what should I say? We already ate dinner, Lisa. That's funny. She's like usually making dinner when I go live, and then sometimes when she goes live, I am eating lunch. So it's chilly where you are too, Marianne. Yeah, I was hopeful. We made it up to 50 something the other day, and the sun was out, and it was like actually, fairly nice. But, remind me of this in the summer when it's 105, and I'll be like, oh yeah, I remember. Thanks for sprinkling, Lisa. Hi, Catherine. How are you? So I think I'm going to feather around this little hedgehog because I don't want all this, napkin kind of like space that doesn't do anything on here. Lisa was showing some really cute ribbon today. If you guys need a ribbon, over on her page, she was doing an unboxing of ribbon. Her page is Heart's Desire. If you guys don't know. I have lots of ribbon, but it never seems like I have the ribbon I want. I don't know how that works. It's 81 in Orlando, Veronica. You are toasty. That's where my husband's family is, close to Orlando. They're just like east of it in Melbourne. You probably know where that is. By Cocoa Beach, not very far from NASA. And all of that. We are going to try to go down there. We were going to try to go in March or April, but I don't know if that's going to work. And then it starts getting hot down there, you guys. You two on the ribbon? I know. I go, because I thought I had some ribbon with strawberries on it, because this little hedgehog is holding a strawberry. So I'm out going through all my ribbon, and I couldn't find any. So if I do, I don't know where it is. You know where Melbourne is? Yeah, that is where my husband is from. And most of his family is still right around there. There's a few, his mom is over by Tampa, but everybody else is right around Melbourne, Palm Bay area. Hi Mia, how are you today? Well, our paint is not quite dry yet, so we're going to go ahead and help it out. If you guys are new to me, I do what I call a Blessings Bloom surprise package box, and a way to get your name into that jar for a chance. I have some globs here, you guys. I don't know. Thought I had it all smoothed out. A way to get your name into that is just to be commenting. And glad you're doing well. And once we hit 10 friends, I will choose, or what I do is I actually scroll through the comments, and then I turn my head or close my eyes or whatever and let it stop on someone's name, and that's whose name goes in the box or in the drawing for the box. And for every 10 friends that come on the page, I do another name. So at 10 is one name, 20 is two, and so forth. Hi Aggie, how are you today? We are doing a cute little hedgehog. Hopefully it'll be cute. Yes, we are halfway through this week. Everybody's surviving, right? I'm pretty sure I am so far. Been a little tired this week, but I don't know of any real reason for it. Looking through my distress oxides to see what we want to use. think we're going to stick with greens and pinks. So, do we want to go bright pink or muted? I am not sure about that one yet. Glad it's downhill from here. Yeah, for sure. I have my granddaughters Monday through Thursday, so actually Thursday is, you know, kind of like my last work day, if you want to call it that. And then, you guys, I have too much stuff over here. I do need to get it put away. Oh, yes, hedgehogs are adorable. Well, I mean, if I didn't, probably wouldn't actually want to have one, right? But to look at them is adorable. Trying to find my brushes for my oxide, that's what it was doing. I did have a point. And I thought it would be kind of fun to do something other than a bunny. Although I haven't done very many bunnies, we will do more, but I don't know, you guys. I haven't been very traditional Easter yet. I probably will get there, but, and of course, Easter is not just about bunnies. That is not even the important part of Easter. All right, I think we're dry, so we're going to go ahead and put some Mod Podge on here. I really need to get some more Mod Podge too. I am actually getting close to, well, probably a little less than half. I have a little left. Yeah, I've done some crosses before, and I need to, there's some I want to do, some ideas I have, so I will definitely be doing that. I love to do it with, I'll do one probably with florals and stuff, and then do some other ones. I just need to get them figured out and put together so that I can do it. Maybe I'll make one of them a goal for next week if I don't do it this week. Brush little hair in there. It's always annoying. All right. That's what I've noticed about these darker bristled brushes. They seem to lose their yeah, bristles easier. Hi, Julie. How are you? So what have you guys that just are hopping on? What have you guys been doing today? Thanks for being here. If you guys noticed, I did actually get my Telegram notice sent out. So if you guys aren't on my Telegram channel yet, I'd love for you to get on there. I'm trying to remember to use it. Of course, I think I would put my parchment paper across the room. I was just looking at that. I'm like, that's a good place for it. So we're just drying that Mod Podge. I think that was pretty quick. I think it's already done. I'm going to heat up the iron. I guess it's already on. I'm going to grab this parchment paper real quick, you guys. Sorry. Oh, my granddaughter keeps me busy during the day. Well, she's pretty good, actually. You know, just taking care of kids in general keeps us busy, right? But that's a good thing. That's our cute little hedgehog. All right, I'm going to go ahead and iron it on. If you guys don't know, I do have a napkin club where I send out napkins every quarter or season. So it is open right now for the summer napkins. This was one of the ones that were in the spring set. And I send out 17 to 20 napkins, and I also try to do projects with them so you guys can get ideas and all of that. But if you're interested, just comment and I can get you that information if you want it. Okay, I'm trying to grab a little file. I started sending out, just a few little napkin sets, like, I don't know, 3 or 4 years ago is kind of where I started. And then the Napkin Club is fairly new. I started it, I think, last May, so not quite a year old, but I had a hard time trying to figure out how many napkins, I was going to need. So that's why I started doing that. It just makes it easier for me. And that way you don't have to buy, part of my napkin is stuck down in here. You don't have to buy big sets, all of the same napkin. And I do try to get ones that are different than you can usually find in the stores. Well, you guys, this is being a bugger in here. Okay, I think we got it. I wish I had gotten a few more of these little boards when they had their Valentine's stuff clearanced out. Hi Yvonne, how are you? Thanks for hopping on. We're just doing a pretty simple little project with a hedgehog. So here we are so far. You see the little strawberry in the middle? Yeah, I could swear I have strawberry ribbon somewhere, but I don't know if I did, what happened to it. I think we're just going to go with a muted oxide that's called Victorian Velvet. I don't think I want to go with the bright. And we're going to do some green too. I'm going to go around the inside part here with the pink. So, what are you guys going to do for the rest of this month? Do you have any fun, exciting plans coming up? I know spring break is toward the end of this month for here. And then I'll have the granddaughters, all 3 of them, for that week. So I'm just trying to put a little bit of pink around the edges here. We have a lot of birthdays this month. Family. You guys are still going to get snow on Friday. Yeah, I'm hoping we don't get any more down here. I mean, it can snow in the mountains all at once, but I would like to be done with it down here in our valley too. You had 2 granddaughters, February vacation. Yeah, I agree. I am ready to start getting outside and working in the garden beds. So I think that looks pretty cute. What do you guys think? Joyce, hi. It's been forever since I've seen you. It's great to see you hopping on. Oh, you guys, I actually painted my nails. I hardly ever do it. For some reason, I decided today I was going to do that. I don't know. It's not that I don't like them painted, but it just wears off so fast. So for me, that is like, I don't usually do it that often. So I'm just trying to get it very light around our edges here because I don't want it to be standing out a lot. But I do think it just adds a little bit. Hi, Beth. Well, good to see you. How is everybody else doing that just hopped on? Hi, Osea. Is that how you say it? How are you today? Okay. I don't know. It's not showing up as well. Now it is. As well along this edge. I guess I am not really trying to push it that hard is probably part of the problem because I don't want to get it too dark. The oxide is not permanent. You will have to seal it if you want it to stay. And I have noticed that if you use Mod Podge, sometimes it can turn it a little bit of a different color. So I would probably suggest doing a spray sealer with the oxides, and I haven't seen that change the oxide colors yet. So if you want it, I mean, it doesn't do it all the time. I had it do it one time really bad, and I don't know why, but it definitely changed the color of the oxide. Okay. Thank you, guys. So, do I want to add any green or not? I don't think I do, actually. We're just going to go with that. And then you can just clean these little brushes. You can get them at Dollar Tree. I know they have them at on Amazon or different places so you can find them. And they work really good for the oxides. So what are we going to do with our little hedgehog now that we've got a little bit of distressing on? I'm not sure if that's all I want to do, but it's a good start. I might take some twine and run it around inside here. I think that would be cute. Let's make sure this glue gun is going to work for us. Doesn't like to start when I want it to. So has anybody found any good deals on craft things lately? I haven't really been out to Hobby Lobby or I was to Michael's. I did get their grab box, but I did that unboxing if you guys saw it. So I'm just going to run a bead of glue along here. So what are you guys' favorite animals? Like if you are going to craft with yeah, that's my problem too, Aggie. You haven't been out shopping for a while because you need to use what you have. I always feel guilty when I go out and get something because I have so much stuff that I need to use. You don't get out much. It's your choice. Yeah, well, you save money that way for sure. And I know we can, if we needed to, we could get a lot more creative with what we have on hand, I'm sure. It's like, oh, well, this would be cute, so I'll go get that, but then, no, do we need it? You like bunnies and dogs, Beth? Oh, you're liking moose, Agatha? I like moose. I had my living room decorated up like cabin feel like quite a long time ago, but I definitely like that look. Yeah, and everything's so expensive right now, right? That going out and getting stuff, it can add up quickly. All right, we're just getting that twine down in there. Yeah, when I had that, that log cabin look going, it was really pretty. I mean, I kind of focused more on bears, but I definitely like the moose are cute too. I don't know, I always want to change everything up. If I could, I would do it quite often, but obviously that's too pricey. So can't do that often. You kind of have to stick with something for a while. So we've got the twine around now. Just getting some glue strings off. Giraffes. Those are pretty too. I love elephants. Elephants are probably my favorite and have always been. So there's the twine. My sister, you guys, do you know what the diamond art painting is with the little dots that you do on the sticky background? She made me a huge, I think it's like 16 by 20 diamond dot elephant. I mean, it took a while, that's for sure. And I decided, oh, this looks like fun. I'll get one of those, right? Oh, wow, you have a 6-foot standing giraffe? That's cool. And so I was like, I'll get one of those, and, we will. And it was like an ocean scene, and I will have fun with that. And guess what? I think I have probably a 6 by 6. It may be bigger than that. It might be 8 by 8. Part done on it. Hi, Polly. How are you? And I keep saying, I'm going to get that out and work on it, but it hasn't happened. So let's make a cute little bow. I just don't, this ribbon's kind of big. I don't know for sure if it's gonna work how I want it. It might be okay. Probably. I wanted to find a little daisy too, but I couldn't find that either, you guys. See what I mean? When you want something, you can't find it. We might use these because they kind of match these colors. Oh yeah, I have spent quite a few hours just getting that little part done that I have. Because when I first got it, of course, I was all excited, gonna do this, and so I was doing quite a bit, and then, obviously as time went on, I can't decide which way I want to make a bow. I lost interest, and so it has not went far since then. I think I've gotten it out a couple of other times, but then I just do a little bit and it ends up getting put away again. But they are definitely pretty. I love them, and they have so many cool designs. I think that'll be cute. I know, I'm sure there's got to be a daisy somewhere, and I am sure I'll probably find it, you know, at some other time when I'm not looking for it. But today was not that day. It was like, oh boy. So we're going to do a little bit smaller pink bow. I'm going to go ahead and cut off this end part because it's so hard to get it to straighten out after it's been bent under. I don't know if you guys have found that to be true. Okay, I'm just going to set, I always want to zip tie it because it's hard to hold on to it. Yeah, you can do it. So you can use a bow maker, of course, or you can make bows so many different ways. I'm just doing a couple of little loops here, so we just have a cute little bow. I'm wondering if I have like a little strawberry button, if I would actually have something like that. Right? Okay. I love this pink, and both of these ribbons I did get at Sam's Club, you know, because I needed more ribbon, and they had a lot of cute spring prints. If you guys haven't been in there, and it's so reasonable. It used to be $6.98, but I think it's $7.98 now. But it's 50 yards for that's how much you're getting for that amount, which, I mean, you can't beat that price pretty much. Not anywhere that I'm aware of can you get that much for that price. So definitely think about Sam's Club if you are needing ribbon, you know, or wanting ribbon. You know, it kind of works either way. I'm not going to dovetail this. I'm just going to cut it at an angle. There's that one. That way. Let's cut this one the other way. I just wanted this to be like a cute little sweet piece. Nothing, you know, too out there, but just dainty, right? Never enough ribbon. Let's see if I happen to have a strawberry, which of course I probably won't, but we'll look. And I'm opening it the wrong way, you guys. Of course I would. If not a strawberry, we might do a ladybug or a bee. Thank you, guys. You know, you could always go out and get some strawberries, right? I have an apple. These are just little buttons that I have collected over the years. Yeah, apples, new strawberries. I have this cute little caterpillar. That would be different, right? I have some owls. Okay, I'll ask you guys what you like better as soon as I have some bugs. I did get those the other day because they were so cute at Hobby Lobby. See, you guys, so much better to stay away, right? Up. There's a purple butterfly, but I don't know if I want purple or the blue. I think we'll stick with the yellow or green. So, do you like the little bumblebee or the little caterpillar? Can you guys see it okay? I know my finger's in the way. Or we could just, you know, do these flowers and call it good. That might be prettier and forget the things. The caterpillar. Or we could do both, obviously. Or flowers. Those are cute. Yeah, now that I'm looking at it, I think we'll just do the flowers. Not that that wouldn't be cute too. I think I'm just loving the flowers a little more. So let's go ahead and put those down. Just gonna put it here in the middle, I think. Well, actually, I'll put it in that heart. Let me get that glue off. And that zip tie part can go into the heart there and not be sticking out in a weird way. So that will work. So I'm just gonna hold that for a second. You guys like the flowers the best? Yeah. I think it just fits with how delicate and cute this little cutting board is turning out. So we can stick this one in there. So this is just taking one of the little napkins in the spring set and one of these cute little cutting boards from Hobby Lobby and a little bit of ribbon and some flowers I had left over from making that birdhouse. I actually pointed the right way, you guys. Usually I'm on the opposite side of where I need it to be. I don't know. I might just do one. Could put something down here. I think the garbage guys are out there if you can hear it. Do you guys like it? I'm trying to get that little flower back on there. Could put something down here in the corner too. That might be cute. Trying to use those leaves, but can't really get it back in there. I'd probably just have to cut this off altogether. There we go. Sure, I will show you guys the birdhouse. I just am so, like, I found that bottom for the birdhouse at the Goodwill, and it was just like when I saw it, I was like, oh, that's gonna be perfect with that birdhouse. So it was just one of those moments where when I was shopping, it actually worked out, right? And I have some got at Goodwill the other day that I want to show you guys too. Keep forgetting to do that. Maybe tomorrow. Okay. I love these little flowers. I can't even remember where I got them. It might have been at Joann's. Okay, just gonna add a little more glue to get that down there. Strings, ribbon everywhere. I don't know, I might add some more leaves if I can find them, but I don't know. It's kind of cute the way it is. All right, I think we're done, you guys, unless I add another leaf or something. What do you guys think? Do you like that? Oh no, it's frozen. Probably because I had the phone call. Oh no. No sound, black screen. Thank you, Joyce. How are you doing, Joyce? And there's our little hedgehog. You guys back? I know. Picture's still frozen. I'm sorry, you guys. It's not frozen. You love it, Polly? At least some of you guys can see, right? That's always frustrating for sure. Well, you guys, thank you so much for being here. Let me show the birdhouse up closer. I mean, this obviously these two pieces would look really cute together because of the same flowers. You could have it, you know, you don't have to have it right next to each other, but you could have it close on a shelf or whatever. So I found this base, this like pedestal at a Goodwill, and then this birdhouse is from Hobby Lobby, and then I added paper to it and Spanish moss and some of these flowers and the lace and then a little bird, and I put some of the distress oxide on it. But there you guys go. There's our project from today, and then the birdhouse. So, well, I'm sorry it all froze on some of you guys. I hope you have a great evening. Be blessed, and hopefully it's good seeing you too, Joyce. I've missed you for sure. Thank you. Oh, that's okay, Aki. Hopefully replay will work for you. Hi, Deborah. We are just hopping off. I will be drawing a name from this video, so stay tuned. I'll tag you if it's your name. And I should be on around the same time tomorrow, and we'll do something else, you guys. I'll probably try to show you those the items I found at Goodwill. So thank you guys. Have a great night. Be blessed. See you guys all later.